Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Sign into the Apple ID on the device you will change and make a local backup of any originals so nothing is lost. Once you have a backup, open Settings or System Settings. This prevents accidental deletion later. Make sure to identify all devices using iCloud Photos because turning the service off on one device versus all devices has different effects. Start on the device you use most. Proceed step by step to avoid syncing surprises. Now disable the upload source. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, Photos, and toggle off iCloud Photos. Confirm whether to download originals first. Once done, move to your Mac. Open System Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, and uncheck Photos, or disable sync inside the Photos app. This stops further uploads from that device. Also turn off shared albums and My Photo Stream where present, because they can continue to upload or share. These steps isolate new photos from reaching iCloud. Finish by verifying on iCloud. Confirm that no new photos are uploading after you turned off device sync. If you intend to remove cloud copies, download originals to your backup, then delete them from iCloud Photos. Make sure Recently Deleted is emptied. If uploads still occur, sign out of your Apple ID on the offending device and sign back in or reboot it. This often clears a stuck sync. If problems continue, check for multiple devices with the same Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.